Today, we've got an incredibly important topic to discuss: cybersecurity. In our hyper-connected world, understanding cybersecurity is absolutely crucial. So, buckle up because we're about to dive into the world of online security. What is cybersecurity? But first things first, let's define cybersecurity. Imagine it as the digital equivalent of locking your front door to keep intruders out. It's all about protecting computer systems, networks, and data from theft, damage, or unauthorized access. The importance of cybersecurity. Now, why should you care about cybersecurity? Well, let's break it down. Protection of personal information. Cybersecurity keeps your personal data, like bank accounts and social media profiles, safe from prying eyes. Business continuity. For businesses, it ensures smooth operations without being disrupted by cyber attacks. National security. On a bigger scale, it's crucial for national security as it safeguards critical infrastructure such as power grids and communication networks. Types of cyber threats. Cyber threats come in many flavors, including malware, sneaky software designed to harm your computer or steal your data; phishing, deceptive emails or messages that trick you into revealing sensitive info; ransomware, nasty software that locks your data and demands a ransom for its release. Cybersecurity best practices. All right, time for some action. Here are some cybersecurity best practices you can start using today. Strong passwords. Use complex, unique passwords, or consider using a password manager. Software updates. Keep your software and operating systems up to date to fix vulnerabilities. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA whenever you can for an extra layer of security. Awareness and education. Stay informed about current threats and educate yourself and your team. Cybersecurity for everyone. But guess what? Cybersecurity isn't just for tech wizards. It's for everyone. Here's what you can do. Regular backups. Back up your data regularly so you can recover it in case of an attack. Think before you click. Be careful when clicking links or downloading attachments, especially from unknown sources. Report suspicious activity. If you smell something fishy, report it right away. In a nutshell, cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field that demands our attention. It's not a matter of if, but when a cyber threat may strike. By following these best practices and taking cybersecurity seriously, we can all contribute to a safer online world. Thank you for joining me today to talk about cybersecurity. I hope this video has shed light on this critical topic and given you actionable steps to protect yourself online. Remember, cybersecurity is a team effort, and together, we can make the internet a safer place for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.